If you've ever found yourself frustrated with your brush tool in Photoshop, clicking away, expecting magic, but nothing happens, you're not alone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly why your Photoshop brush might not be working and walk you through the simple fix. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to restore your brush tool and get back to creating stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's open Photoshop. It doesn't matter what version you're using. The brush tool and its settings are pretty much the same across the board. If you're already in Photoshop, that's great. If not, go ahead and launch it now. Remember, I'm here to help whether you're a beginner or just need a quick troubleshooting tip. Now, the problem: you've selected the brush tool, you're clicking your canvas, but nothing seems to be happening. The strokes aren't showing up, and maybe you've already checked your layer or the color, but still, no luck. This situation can feel pretty confusing, but the good news is, it's usually just a quick setting causing the issue. Here's the key thing to know. When your brush isn't working after clicking, very often the cause is that the brush mode isn't set to normal. Photoshop allows different blend modes for your brush tool, kind of like how you can change how layers interact with each other. The brush tool can be set to all sorts of modes, like multiply, overlay, or color dodge, each giving you a different effect. But if it's set to a mode that doesn't interact well with your current layer or colors, it can seem like nothing's happening at all. So let's fix this together. Take a look at the top section of your Photoshop window. Right above your canvas, you'll see the Brush Settings toolbar. It's easy to overlook if you're focusing on your artwork. Up there, you'll see an option labeled Mode, right next to things like Opacity and Flow. The dropdown might currently say something other than normal, maybe clear or difference. Click on that word Mode, and a list of options will drop down. Simply select Normal from the list. Normal mode means your brush will behave in the standard way, painting directly onto your layer without any blending tricks or transparency effects. It's like clearing a foggy window. Suddenly, everything works as you expect. If you're switching back to normal and still not seeing results right away, don't worry. Double-check that you're on the correct layer and that your brush opacity isn't set to 0. Sometimes, it's a couple of settings working against you, not just one. But 9 times out of 10, restoring the mode to normal does the trick. Think of blend modes like sunglasses for your brush. Sometimes they tint or darken what you're seeing. By taking them off, you see the real colors and strokes you've chosen. This small adjustment can save you a ton of time and headache, especially if you're working on detailed projects or just starting out. So, whenever your Photoshop brush tool seems stubborn, just remember to glance at that mode drop-down at the top and make sure it's set to normal. It's a tiny change, but it makes a big difference, helping your creativity flow without interruption. Hopefully, this quick fix gets your brush tool working perfectly again. If this tutorial helped, go ahead and hit the like button. If you have any lingering questions or other Photoshop mysteries you want solved, drop a comment below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!